welcome to the Kickstarter course. In this free course, yes, totally free, you're gonna learn how to introduce yourself to other people, which can be really handy, right? Because it's one of the first interactions we have with people is we want to say our names, our age, our profession, our nationality. So I'm gonna teach you all of that and some more in this Kickstarter course, and all for the price of zero. So you don't have to pay, you just have to dive into the course and learn your first Portuguese words and even sentences. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mia and I'm a qualified teacher. I've been teaching for more than 10 years and my goal is to take this beautiful language to as many people as possible. So I hope that you come with me in this journey through the Portuguese language. Mwah! Kisses!